Hold on, how do it?
You should put your hands exactly where it's at. Oh. Step back, step back.
I gotta learn how to do the whole bitch ass. Oh, get out. Bitch ass nigga.
Is it tight enough? It can be tighter, right?
Oh shit, he's damn. All right.
You on the floor, you gotta swing your hands like you're fighting. You get back. Step back, you step back, all the way back. To your right, go all the way to your right. That's the bell. All right, come right here, come right here.
Oh yeah. Oh. Why is the gate right there?
Huh?
I need to back up.
Back up, that's what I told you. We can move. You can move all around the motherfucking ring, nigga. That's why you got the circle.
Oh, see, I'm out.
You gotta walk back in. Come all the way to your right. All the way to your right.
He out. He's a bitch.
Well, I own it, nigga.
Oh, he got me because I stepped out. Hold on. He's a bitch.
You gotta swing, swing.
Oh, man,
swing. Oh, you about to get a knockout. Swing like you punching. Punching, like you're punching.
They say go like this, go like this, shit. Bitch! Bitch.
He about to knock your ass out. You gotta swing fast, nigga. That nigga getting you. He getting you. It's a wrap for you. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Fuck!